So it's Friday, and that means we got another tutorial for you guys, and I'm going to be using the Armed and Gorgeous palette by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brushes. And I'm just taking this like khaki green shade and I'm running it into the crease, and this look does require a lot of going back and forth and blending. Then I'm just going in with this orange shade and I'm applying that right over that green shade, and this shade kind of did a look a little bit chalky and funky for a little bit, so I did have to keep on going in and really blending, as I'm doing right here. Okay, so now we need to go back in with that green shade and deepen it up some more. And my lips were super ashy and crackly and just not cute, so I had to apply some Vaseline really quick. And now I'm just going to apply some of that green shade on the inner and outer corners, and that's just going to start that halo eye look going on. We gotta deepen out the outer edges. I told you guys that in my last video. Then I'm just going in with a medium color brownish orange shade, and I'm going in between that super yellow shade and green shade, just so that they all blend in smoothly. Okay, so now we want to darken the inner and outer edges even more, as well as the crease, because some of that dark green shade did get lost. So now I'm just going to take this LA Girl concealer and carve out the halo eye, and I use this concealer when I want more of a soft kind of cut crease carve out, whatever you want to call it. When I want a more dramatic and bold one, I will use the P. Louise base. So now we're just blending in the edges of what we stamped on with the concealer. And I'm just going in with this gold shade to make the center pop, and I'm just packing that on. So let's get started on the face. I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I am liking this primer so far. It has a really tacky base, so you can tell that it really sticks with the foundation that you apply. So now I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and this concealer is full coverage. So if you guys are looking for a good drugstore concealer, this is it. And I just go in and blend that in with a beauty sponge, and look how full coverage that is. Like, even using a sponge, it's super pigmented and opaque. Like, come on, that's full coverage right there. And girl, if you have not tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Loose Powder, you need to try it. It really blurs out the skin. It just looks so bomb, and it does not look cakey. So now I'm trying something different, and I'm using the Island Tings bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and I'm liking it so far. It is a little bit more of a drier formula than my MAC Give Me Sun, but she'll do because she's nice and bronzy and pigmented. And that pretty much completes the look, guys. I didn't add it in my lip combo because you guys already know what lip combo I use literally all the time. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and like and comment on your way out. I'll see you guys Wednesday. Bye.